Your look is not complete without accessories. My previous video was about professional styling tips for Indian women. Here comes part 2, which is about professional accessories for Indian women. 5 tips for professional accessories. Tip number 1: do not wear loud accessories. In a layman's language, they should be simple. Simple in making, simple in color. You can go for simple pearls or a small pendant or a simple pearl earring. The watch that you wear, that too should not be too loud. It should be simpler one. Tip number 2: the number of accessories. You cannot wear more than 2 accessories. So either it be a neck piece or a watch or a earring or a ring. Any two, more than 2 is not considered professional. Tip number 3: the bags. Your bags should be structured and simple. The material of the bag should be either cotton or leather. You cannot go in for louder ones, that is either velvet or a shiny material. Moreover, they need to be structured. Structured means something that can stand on its own and has its own shape. Do not go for unstructured bags. Tip number 4: the makeup. The makeup should be simple and natural. That means it should not have brighter lipstick. Do not go for too much of eye makeup. Just a simple natural color, a nude color of lipstick and a simple eyeliner with a BB cream could serve the purpose. Also, the nail polish that you wear should not be of a very bright color. Wear simple and subtle ones. Tip number 5: the footwear. The footwear that you wear needs to cover your toes. Chappals or sleepers are not considered to be formals. Hope these tips would help you look more professional. Question for today. Someone asked Sapna, there are so many brands. How to choose the right brand? So here I would say explore the brands. Once you find a brand which is apt as per your personal style and apt as per your purpose, stick to it, be loyal to it. You need not keep on changing the brands. For example, let me pick up Aldo and Ray-Ban for an eyewear. The theme for Aldo is holiday, casual and party wear, wherein for Ray-Ban it is being elegant and professional. So if you want to buy something for an office wear, for a professional wear, you need to go in for Ray-Ban, wherein if you are looking something for a holiday, you need to go for an Aldo. Moreover, as an individual, check your personal style and what brands you will be able to carry, what brand you are able to relate to. For example, let us pick up Ranveer Singh and Amitabh Bachchan. What do you think, which brand each one of them would pick up as per their personal style? Aldo and Ray-Ban. I am sure Mr. Bachchan would go in for a Ray-Ban, wherein Ranveer Singh would go in for an Aldo. I hope this helps you out. The celebrity today is India's self-made richest women entrepreneur, Kiran Majumdar-Shaw, who is chairperson and managing director of Biocon Limited. She was also a former chairperson of IIM Bangalore. Yes, Kiran Majumdar-Shaw. Shaw's clothes are like the perfect foil to her personality. One look at the perfectly tailored, no-nonsense attire and you know she definitely means business. One of the most authoritative, professional, confident clothing I have ever seen when it goes to women. show the quite essential businesswoman dresses in smart jackets, kurtas mostly in pastels and neutral shades. The material is usually khadi silk or tussar, which stands highest in authority when it goes to Indian wear. She often throws on a scarf and accessories with minimal jewelry, which creates a trademark fringe, and there can be only one such look in the country. The brand today is Aldo, which is a worldwide chain of fashion footwears and accessory stores. Aldo specializes in the creation of high quality fashion footwear, leather goods, and accessories. In May 2005, it was introduced in India. Aldo India provides an unparalleled selection of the latest footwear and accessories for both men and women with on trend style. As a natural extension to the brand, they are exclusive accessory stores. Every season, Aldo reveals a new selection of merchandise that is fresh, on trend, and reflective of what is hot on the global fashion scene. This unique retail concept has quickly become a top destination for all the must haves in shoes, accessories, and handbags. If you are looking for a help to look professional, authoritative, and confident for yourself, be free to contact me. Also, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the video.